Good morning, students. Today, our topic for this chapter that is types of software. So, we have two kinds of software, hardware and the software. Hardware means the physical part or tangible component that we can see and touch. Okay, that can be seen and touched, that is known as hardware, like input devices and output devices, CPU, hard disk, printer. These are the examples of the computer hardware. Software is a set of programs that perform the task. Okay, or you can say that governs the operation of a computer system. We have further two types of software, that is system software and the application software. System software that controls internal computer operation is called system software. The software that controls internal computer operation is called system software. In system software, operating systems comes as well as language processor comes. What comes inside the system software? Operating system and the language processor. Operating system operating system acts as an interface between the hardware and the software. Okay, and the primary goal of an operating system is to make the computer system convenient to use, and secondary goal is to use the computer hardware in a efficient manner. These terms you are studying from your previous classes, so nothing is tough in this topic. And now children, operating system examples like Windows and Unix, Linux, so these are the examples of the operating system. Now comes in language processor. A language processor is a special type of computer software that can translate the source code into object code. The source code means like your C, C++, Java and Python even, it comes in the language processor. So source code means where the user is writing the coding. Like if you are working in C language, its source code will be from the C software. Same way, if you people are working in Python, so your source code will be Python software. Object code means after writing the program, when we compile the program, source program will be converted into object code. Then object code means because your data will be in the English in the computer language. Your data will be in the English as the codes you are writing. So the computer doesn't understand computer language. So computer doesn't understand English language. So it will convert into machine language. So that is known as object code. So a source code refers to the program code written by a programmer in a high level programming languages like C, C++, Java. And object code refers to a code usually in machine language or a binary code, a language that computer can understand easily and run on hardware. That is known as language processor. So what comes in the language processor? That is a assembler, interpreter, compiler. So these three are the examples of the language processor. Children, in language processor, what I said to you, what comes? Assembler. So assembler means assembly language. If you are writing in assembly language program, so you need assembler software that will convert assembly language into machine language. Same way, if you are using any suppose interpreter example, if you are using Python, so we need an interpreter that will convert Python program that the user has written into the machine language. Same way for the compiler also, we need a compiler software. If you are working in C, C++, Java, for that we need a compiler. Compiler will compile the program into machine language. So you can write this difference between also. What is the difference between compiler and the interpreter? So interpreter is a type of software that translate and execute instructions written in a computer program line by line. Means line wise it will interpret the program. And compiler, what it does, computers and the type of system software that can translate and execute instructions written in a computer program in one go. Means it will compile the entire program in one line, in one go. mean to say, after that it will tell you the errors if you will have in your program. Okay, so thank you students. Now I will tell you in the next video, next topic.